Welcome to this video, and thank you for joining me today. In this tutorial, I will guide you through how to leave a group on the Line app using your phone. Many people find themselves in groups that are no longer relevant or simply too noisy. First, open the Line app on your phone. Next, tap on the group that you want to leave. Then, look to the top right corner and tap on the three horizontal lines. After that, tap on the option that says Leave. Finally, confirm your choice by tapping OK, and you will successfully exit the group. Leaving a group is a simple way to keep your chats organized and free from unnecessary notifications. In this video, we covered how to leave a Line group step by step in just a few quick taps. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.